Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. I have another Echo Park warehouse clearance haul. After I purchased my first one just a few weeks later, they posted that they were having another sale, so I went in there and I found some different items. My total order came to $72, and that was after the additional discount because I purchased 3 of the mega pads and 10 of the kits. So the paper pads were less than $5 and the kits were, I think, like $6.25. Let's dig into this order. $72. Let me know in the comments down below, do you think I got a good deal? Okay, the first one are these mega pads. I've not purchased these before, but they are double the size of the regular 6x6s. I picked up another Believe in the Magic, the It's a Girl. I did pick up, I think, the ephemera for this in my last haul, and I will link that haul up above. And then I also picked up the It's a Boy. I don't know if I was able to find the ephemera for this one. And I picked up a lot of kits. I think they're all different from the ones that I picked up last time. I just cannot resist these kits. They come with, let's see, 12 by 12 double-sided paper and the sticker sheets. We have the I Love Halloween, and I know I did purchase some of this stuff or ephemera for it in my last haul. I will be going through and organizing it and putting it all together. So what matches will go inside these sleeves so that everything is together. I think all their Halloween stuff kind of matches anyway. I picked up the Pool Party. I love this one. It has such fun summer papers. I love the lemon. I love the watermelon. It's so fun, and it does come with the sticker sheet. This is the I Love Summer. We have the pineapples, the pretty flowers. So cute. And the sticker sheet. I love it. Did get the It's a Girl kit, so that will match the paper pad. That's great. And here's the sticker sheet. I picked up the coffee set. I don't have anything coffee in my stash, so I am happy to be adding this in there. We have the cute sticker sheet as well. I Love Winter. And we have the cute stickers. I got the bark. That one's fun. Not a fan of the alphas. That's okay. And By the Sea. I love nautical things. So pretty. We have Hocus Pocus. Really spooky cute papers in this one. And the cute sticker sheet. We have This Summer. So cute. And then we have this sticker sheet. I am definitely ready for summer next year and for Halloween for the rest of my life. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take a look at my other haul and see if I can find anything from my last haul that matches this haul. I ended up hauling the ephemera for the I Love Halloween kit. So that will be going together. And I did haul another sticker sheet to the Pool Party collection. So those will be going together. I also hauled another sticker sheet from the Hocus Pocus. For the Disney, I ended up with the 6x6, the ephemera, 2 sticker sheets, and the kit. And for the It's a Girl kit, I ended up with the mega pad as well as the ephemera. So I was able to match up some of the items from my last haul, but I also have a lot of Echo Park in my stash. So I am going to be digging through there, and I will continue to match up my items. And that is my second Echo Park haul. Let me know what you think. Did I get a good deal for 3 mega paper pads and 10 kits, and it came out to $72. Okay, I thank you guys so much for stopping by my craft room. Have a great day. Bye, guys.